Hi, just a follow-up from composting this bed with my own compost. We are now at June and yeah, everything's in full growth. Lovely month. Compost is all nicely consolidated down on and into the soil gradually. This year, for the first time, we've tried growing potatoes on soil using straw as a mulch on top, not digging them into the soil in any way. Obviously they're not ripe to pick yet, or dig rather, but I just thought I'd show you how it looks. So I put them on the soil, evenly spaced as you would in the soil, and then just covered it with, this is I think barley straw, and then put some of this plastic mesh, I don't know what that is, sort of 2-inch mesh, square mesh, pegged it down just to stop the straw from blowing away, pegged it down just with bamboo cane segments. And as you can see, the potatoes, if I can get the camera in there, potatoes are growing through the mesh, through the straw, growing really healthily. I haven't watered at all. I'm just letting the moisture in the soil and the rainwater we get do the job for me. I'll do another video at the time when I lift the straw off to show how well they've done, because it's a first for me. I've seen it online before and I thought it's worth a go. So the potatoes are now finished. They've done their thing. The foliage is dying down. They flowered. It is now, what date is it? It's the 5th of August. So let's see how they've done. Make things a little bit easier because obviously we've got netting involved. Try and do this in a tidy way. I was amazed by the amount of growth we put on. Just tremendous. Okay, so there's all the foliage I've taken off the bed. Just got the stems left there. I'll lift the netting that was holding the straw down. I'll just get rid of this onto the compost now. Some barley growing there, barley straw, not surprising. What should I do with these? Oh, there's a potato. I would hope there is a potato. We'll see how big they are. I don't know how, obviously, I don't know what they're like. You're seeing it as I'm seeing it. Comes off easily. Comes off nice and easily, like in sections. So that worked really well. I wasn't sure whether that would hold the straw down sufficiently, but just some of this plastic grid is more than enough. Let's put that here out of the way. Okay. It's going to be tricky me getting the camera angle right because you're on a chest harness. But, let's have a look together. Can you see that? Yeah. Ooh, wow. Oh wow. Look at that, just lying on the surface of the compost that I put on at the beginning of the year. Look at that. Oh my word. Yeah, that's, oh yeah. Wow, that's worked really well. I mean, I hoped it would, obviously, but oh my word. It's like Christmas. It's like delving in your Christmas stocking. Look at that. Oh, they've buried themselves. They have buried themselves a little bit. Yeah, goodness me. That's just one plant. Wow. Wow. Sorry, you can hear a lot of wows. Okay, quite a few small ones too, but on the whole, I'm pleased with that. For the effort it took, or the lack of effort. Look at that, it's rooted this way as well. See if there's any in there. I don't think there will be. Rummage around with my hand. Oh, there's one there. Yeah, I have that one. It's a bit green, so we might have to trim that. Okay, so you can see nicely. Right, so if I take this straw and chuck it in the barrow. Wow, gosh. Oh my word. Look at that. There's a few woodlice in there. Yeah, look at that. There's been munched by something, probably slugs I expect, and woodlice. But only one of them. Well, not many of them at least. God, look at that. That's amazing. Okay, I'm going to lift the rest and I'll show you from this patch how many we've got. Okay, we're just over halfway. I've been working through this area I'm kneeling on. And I've filled one of these trugs with lovely, perfect, almost clean potatoes. I mean, they'll just need a quick rinse and straight into the pan. You know, not all big, mixture of sizes, but you can saute those. They'd be lovely. Just a little pan full of sauteed smaller ones with a bit of garlic. Lovely. And then I've got all these to go. I mean, you can see how packed. I mean, it's just, this is genuinely how they're coming out of the ground. Some have buried themselves in a little bit, but not, you know, not loads. And easy as anything to harvest. You get a few that have been nibbled by slugs, you know, that's going to happen, I guess. But overall, very, very good. Very, very easy. There's the proof of how easy and how productive this can be in nice soil that you've improved with your own organic compost. I'll let you know what the flavour's like. I'm going to eat some of these tonight. So there we go. Dug them all out. And that's how many potatoes we have in the truck here. Sorry for the terrible camera work. So there's my hand. That is a fair few potatoes in there. And then we've also got one of these plastic bucket trug things as well, which is, yeah, quite a lot of potatoes. Hope you enjoyed that experience. I sure did. There's another one. And that's what we're left with. Soil has been improved. Can plant something else now. Thanks for watching. Try it yourself. It was easy. All the best.